In this video, I will be performing a TPMS Relearn procedure on my Hummer H3 with no fancy tools. This method can be used on many other vehicles as well. Let's get to it. Like many vehicles, the Hummer H3 has a built-in TPMS Relearn function. To activate this function, apply the parking brake, turn the key to the on position with the engine off, and finally twist and release the headlight switch counterclockwise from auto to off 4 times within 3 seconds. The vehicle should chirp the horn twice, confirming the TPMS Relearn procedure is active. Starting at the front driver's tire, I slowly release air by compressing the valve core with the tip of my key for 10 seconds. An alternative method to deflating for 10 seconds is inflating using an air compressor, which also works for this method. After the 10 seconds of deflation, I wait for a single confirmation horn chirp within an additional 15 to 20 seconds. Once I hear the confirmation chirp, I move on to the remaining tires in the following order: front passenger, rear passenger, and rear driver. To finalize and confirm the TPMS Relearn, turn the key to the off position. The TPMS Relearn procedure is now complete. If a certain tire's sensor will not activate a chirp, try repeating this process from the very start, and once again, activate the Relearn function with the steps outlined at the start of the video. If the tire still fails to activate the chirp, check out my TPMS sensor replacement video, and for more information on how to diagnose a failed sensor, check out my Finding Failed TPMS Sensor video. Huge thank you to my support on Patreon. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.